Hey everybody, and welcome to Sweet Willy's Kitchen. We are doing a little bit of a filming marathon, so this is the 3 of 3rd over the course that you're going to see. It's a cloudy, rainy Saturday during golf season, so this is the time when we're going to get our videos done. And I've had a number of, over the past few weeks, I've had a number of Amazon sellers ask me to do collaboration videos and review videos of the products, and it all seems to be in the knife situation. So I think we're gonna we might have to change my nickname from Sweet Willy to Billy Blades. I don't know, but anyway, so our newest installment, again, another all-purpose chef's blade. And one of the nice things what I get to do is I get to see different types of knives, different types of with weights and handles and the like. So I know what I'd like. However, there are other things for different tastes, and I think this might be one of the other types of knives that I'm sure will be suitable for a lot of viewers out there. So again, I hope you subscribe, comment, all that. Please comment. I'd love to hear what your thoughts and your ideas for future videos, because you know, we're here to help. So if anybody's looking for any tips or whatever, please put them in the comments. I'm going to do my best to answer these comments, and hopefully we'll be able to get some more videos out of it. So we always need content, don't we? So we're always learning. So anyway, the newest knife that I've gotten, Fzkaly, I hope I pronounced that right. That's the name. I'll have a link to this particular knife. And this is one of my favorite styles of knives. Okay, this is, and there's the cleaning cloth. It's already in the nicely wrapped package. It's a pretty knife. It really is. It's a high polished stainless steel knife. It presents well. It presents really well. And in fact, what we'll do is we'll use this for the thing. There we go. All right. Good. So it's your standard 8-inch chef's knife. What's neat about this one is it's got the indentations that you would see in a Santoku knife. So if you were cutting any cheeses or anything that might, you know, stick to the blade, these indentations will help break that surface tension and, you know, cause things to fall off the knife well. It's got a nice ergonomic handle. Okay. Similar to what you would see in your German knives. Again, the high polished stainless steel is a real good look. I like it. Mirror finish, almost like a surgical instrument, I would say. The weight is it's a lightweight knife. And when I say lightweight, I don't mean anything to the quality, okay? It sounds good. It's got good balance to it. The rocking motion, all those things are good. It's a lightweight knife. So if you like something a little lighter weight, this might be the one to check out. Okay, so again, we've got a rosewood handle, finished, riveted. Everything looks good there. We've got a good blade, feels good, nice and sharp. And remember how important it is to, you know, regularly run your blades over a steel like this to keep them sharp, because we all know that the safest knife is a sharp knife for all crazy reasons. I can't tell you that. But we have all our instruction guides, our care, all the instructions. Again, clean soap and water. They also have a list of the other knives that are available. So again, you might want to check that out. So our demonstration today, it's morning on Saturday, and I'm feeling like an omelet, so we're going to do a mushroom, spinach, and shallot omelet. So we'll be able to demonstrate the knife, see how it looks for you, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we'll start off with the shallot. Just take the covering off that. All right. Now, a nice feel to it. It's good. I like the long blade. Chop to it. Good rocking motion. Again, I always put a lot of emphasis on the knive's ability to have this chopping motion. I just again, it allows for rapid, fast cuts. There we go. So, okay. So now when we do our spinach, I like to use a chiffonade method, and a chiffonade is almost like how they roll cigars. So we're going to take all the leaves like so, put them all in this one direction, so the stems are facing here, because we necessarily don't want stems. So we'll take all of this, put that in there, and we'll roll this up like so. Okay, roll it up like a cigar and do a fine. And this is good if you're using basil. Okay, so there you go. There's our spinach, and of course I took the base of the mushroom down, cut it down like a small. Is that enough mushrooms for one omelet? I don't know. Maybe one more. What do you say? All right, we'll do one more. We'll do two. All right. Very good. So, I would say the knife passes the muster. Let's put that to the side. Let's put everything on our plate. I'm going to start ourselves with a teaspoon. A little butter here. All right, we're going to prep the, wait till the pan gets nice and warm. What we're going to do first is we're going to put the mushrooms in first, and once those start to get a little color, then we'll put the shallots in, and then we're going to finish off the omelet with the spinach, because the heat from the omelet will wilt the spinach. We don't want it too. Okay, so our egg mixture is going to be 3 eggs, pinch of salt, and a little splash of butter. So that's going to be the omelet mixture, but that's going to be later. You see, we're starting to get a little color on the mushrooms now. That's a good sign. Also, the finer you chop, the finer cut you have, the food will cook a little faster. More surface area, more heat to get on, less for the heat to get through to the item. That looks pretty darn good. Okay. Let's add the shallots. And we're going to mix this, stir this up, and when the shallots start to brown a little bit, that's the time that we're going to take this off the heat, and then we're going to prepare the omelet. So we're going to make this first, put that to the side, make the omelet, put everything in, then fold it over. Just a little heat and oil just to get the flavors going. The shallots, I would say maybe about 2 minutes or so, tops. 2 minutes on the mushrooms, 2 minutes on the shallots. So total 4 minutes on the mushrooms. Just when the shallots are starting to get their color. Clean that off. We're going to put that up, put that to the side. Very good. All right. A little more butter. Let's lower the heat. We don't want the butter to brown too much. Okay, so take our egg mixture, That goes in the hot pan. Put the heat up, back to about medium-high. This is when we start moving it in. Spreading the egg mixture to the middle. This is a French method. There are much better chefs out there that make this omelet much better than I do. But spread the mixture out. Just don't want to overcook the eggs. That's what we just don't want to overcook the eggs. Now, the way a person wants their eggs is up to them. I like mine a little moist when I have sunny side eggs. I like my eggs runny. The way to do that. Now, for me, this is what I like. This is the level that I like my done this, because this will set up with the heat, with the residual heat. So, here we go. So right there is the way I sort of like my omelet. So I'm going to turn the heat down. In fact, I'm going to actually turn the heat off so it prevents it from cooking. I'm going to add my shallot and mushroom mixture. I'm going to take our chiffonade of spinach. Now again, the spinach is going to wilt under the heat. We don't want to have. Okay, so there's that. All right. I'm going to take a little bit more salt. If you notice, I didn't salt everything. All right. There we go. And there's our omelet. Not bad for a Saturday morning breakfast, okay? So again, I want to thank everybody. I want to thank the folks from Fzkaly for sending me this wonderful knife. Like I said, the 8-inch chef knife with the Santoku, high power stainless steel, rosewood handle. We'll have the link down below so you can order this on Amazon. Moderately priced, good all around, good lightweight, all-purpose knife. And I hope you enjoy it, and I'm going to enjoy this omelet. So again, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.